Hi students, now let us consider the method called as modified Euler's method. Again, this is one more method to find the approximate solution of an ordinary differential equation of a first order and first degree with initial conditions. So let's see the method here. So we are going to consider an ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree, which is also called as an initial value problem, because we will be given an ordinary differential equation with the initial conditions. So let us consider an ODE with initial conditions denoted as y of x naught, which is nothing but called as y naught. Now, what is this modified Euler's method? So, using this method, we are going to find the value of y at some point of x which satisfies the equation. Remember, since this is a numerical method, we are going to get an approximate solution of the equation, not the exact one. So, let us see the formula of the modified Euler's method. So we have the formula here. The first one is y1 of 0. What do you mean by y1 of 0? The value of y1 at the 0th with the 0th modification or at 0th step. That means initially. Here y1 is nothing but the solution of the equation, which can be considered as input in the next step. Hence it will be denoted as y1. So the value of y1 at the 0th modification or 0th stage or initial stage at the point x is given by the formula y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. Here y naught is the initial condition, h is the step length, and the function f of xy is considered with the values of x as x naught and y as y naught. We call this as Euler's formula. When I find the solution of a differential equation of first order and first degree using Euler's formula, we are going to get an approximate solution. So we need to obtain the modification of the same, for which we are going to consider the next formula. So what is the next formula here? It is given by y1 of 1. So what is y1 of 1 here? It represents the value of y1 in the first stage or with the first modification at the point x as y naught plus h by 2. The whole term should be multiplied with f of x naught y naught, the given expression with x as x naught, y as y naught value, plus f of x1 y1 of 0. Now what is this x1? x1 is the next value of the point x0. x0 plus h always gives us x1 plus y1 of 0 is the value of y from the Euler's formula. So which will be substituted as x and y values into the given expression, and after simplification the whole value will be substituted into the formula and simplified using calculator. So this is how we are going to get the first modification. Now how can we further modify? That is by using the second modification formula. So what is this formula? We have it as y1 of 2, means the value of y1 at the second modification stage for the value of x is given by y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 of 1, means for y, wherever you have y in the given expression, replace y by the first modified value for y what you have obtained. Now these two formulae together, that means the modified formulae, are called as modified Euler's formula. So the modified Euler's method, where you are going to use both the Euler's formula and modified Euler's formula together, can also be called as usual we know that by the name modified Euler's method, or I can also call it by the name Euler's predictor corrector formula or Hum's method. Remember guys, every problem, if you are using this method, we have to modify the solution at least twice and then get the approximate solution of the given ordinary differential equation. So now this is our modified Euler's method. Let us see how to solve the problems using the respective method. So now consider the first problem. I have the problem as employ modified Euler's method to solve dy by dx is equals to x plus y with y of 0 equals 1 at the point x is equals to 0.2. So now what we do first is consider the given expression. We have it as dy by dx. Denote the given expression as f of xy which is equals to x plus y with what is x naught value here 0 and y naught is 1. Then we have to find the step length because we need to substitute the same into the formula. So what is the formula for step length? We have the formula for step length as x minus of x naught which is equals to x is 0.2, x naught is 0. So which implies the value of the step length for the given problem is h is equals to 0.2. Similarly, I need the value of x1 in the modified formulae. So I am going to first find the x1 value. So what is x1? We have the formula of x1 as x0 plus h. Substitute for x0 and h, we get the value as x1. Now let us consider the value or the formula which is called as Euler's formula. So what is the formula? y1 of 0 x is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. Let us substitute over the values into the RHS. So when I substitute the values into the RHS, I get the expression as y1, the value of y1 in the 0th stage at the point x is equals to 0.2 is equals to y0 is 1 plus h is 0.2. I have obtained. The whole term is a product of f of x0 y0. So what is f of xy? I have it as x plus y. Here replace x by x0 value, y by y0 value. Now substitute the required terms. x0 is 0, y0 is 1 which are the initial conditions mentioned in the problem. So when I use my calculator and simplify further, I arrive at the value of y1 in the 0th stage at the point x is equals to 0.2 as 1.2. So this completes the first step. Now let us see the first modification or the improved value of the y which satisfies the equation. So what is the formula we have? The formula we have is y1 of 1 at the point x is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 of 0. Now into this substitute the required values. So RHS becomes y0 is 1, h is 0.2 divided by 2. We know that f of x0 y0 is nothing but the given definition in terms of x as x0, y as y0. So I am going to write it as x0 plus y0 plus I have to substitute now f of x1 y1 from the 0th step. So first I'll write the expression here. It is x1 plus y1 from the 0th stage. Then substitute the values. We are going to get here as x0 is 0, y0 is 0 and x1 we have obtained as 0.2. y1 from the 0th stage is 1.2. I am going to substitute the same here. Then simplify. We arrive at y1 of 1 at the point x is equals to 0.2 is approximately equals to 1.24. Now let us consider the Euler's modified formula which is given by y1 of 2. I mean the value of y1 for the second approximation is y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 from the first modified value. Now substitute here the required values. I am going to get it as y1 of 2 at the point 0.2 is equals to y0 is 1 plus h is 0.2 by 2 into f of x0 y0 gives me x0 plus y0 plus f of x1 y1 of 1 is x1 plus y1 of 1. Fine. Now substitute the required values. x0 is 0, y0 is 1, x1 is 0.2, y1 of 1 is from the previous step which is 1.24 and we use the calculator and simplify to get the value as y1, the value of y1 with the second modification is 0.2 which is approximately equal to 1.244. Now observe the modification. See here in the 0th stage or with the zeroth modification, the value of y is 1.2. When I obtain the first modification, the value of y is 1.24, and with the second modification, we have improved the value to 1.244. That's why we need to obtain these modifications for the given problem. Okay. So this is the first problem what we